Hello, here's my son's dinosaur utensil set. He is totally in love with it. He is 5 years old, so he needs something that he can easily open. And I need something that's sturdy, that, won't damage. He totally loves it. He loves the design. He will not use it at home. He tells me for school only. And I do not worry about him dropping it, stomping on it, because it's, as you can see, this is a couple of months old already, and it is in great condition. Again, he's small, he has tiny hands, and yet that's as easy as you can close, and nothing will spill. Everything's good. Totally love it.
Just purchased this Bentgo utensil set. Dishwasher safe, travel friendly, easy to open. Got your cute little durable fork here. Can't bend it. Matching spoon. Fits nicely into this case. Perfect to pair with Bentgo lunch boxes or whatever.
Alright, this is just another accessory we got for my daughter's Bentgo lunchbox. Just a little silverware set. Perfect. Cute. It'll fit perfect in there. Love it. Can't recommend this enough. Perfect for her little 4-year-old hands.